To the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, who who was this Muhammad bin Tughlaq? After his death of his father Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, the founder of Tughlaq dynasty, he took the throne over. He ruled the empire. His rule was known for his religious tolerance, and he was known for the many experiments which he could experiment on the people in order to bring the changes in his ruling. So, children, as Muhammad bin Tughlaq was ruling the Tughlaq dynasty in 1324, and because of his many experiments, he was famous in the case of religious tolerance, and he was better known for his experiments. Many were suffering of these experiments. And coming to the taxation issue, taxation is Doab region. Muhammad bin Tughlaq wanted to build his large empire. For this, he needs some amount. For this, what he did, in order to meet his military expenses, he raised the tax in the Doab region. When the tax was raised, there was a shortage as the people was suffering from the crops. Since the shortage in crops due to the lack of rains, the people was facing severe problem in getting the crops. Without the crops, how they can pay the tax for the Muhammad? So as this Muhammad raised the tax in order to meet his military experiences, he raised his tax, but the people were unable to pay the tax due to the non-availability of the crops which was grown was less, and there was no sufficient crops so that they can due to the lack of rains there were no adequate crops, and they could not pay the revenue or the tax. But the officials, but the ministers who were working under the Muhammad bin Tughlaq forced them to pay. As a result, their lands were they felt their lands after setting the crops on fire. So they put a fire to their crops, and instead of paying the tax, when they doesn't have the adequate crops, and they cannot get income from those crops, what they will do, like in today's period, in the same way the farmers put a fire to the crops, and by knowing this, the Muhammad bin Tughlaq came to aware of this situation that the people are not able to pay the tax. So he organized some relief measures. He gave reliefs. He gave certain facilities in order to avoid these situations. So free kitchens and loans to the people, and the distribution of free seats for the people. Now coming to the shifting of capital. In the beginning of the chapter, we saw that Muhammad bin Tughlaq has been shifted his capital. What is the reason? We'll see. The Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted his capital from Delhi to Devgiri, which he renamed it as a Daulatabad. The capital which was shifted from Delhi to Devagiri was renamed by him as Daulatabad. There were two factors or the two reasons or which influenced him to make him to take this decision. One is administrative convenience, and the other was the security of the region. So according to Ibn Battuta, the foreign traveler, in his book he has written, that is the Sultana ordered the people of Delhi to migrate to Daulatabad, and it was about 1500 kilometer, and even the Muhammad bin Tughlaq has made many arrangements of the like roads and shelters were made for the people who migrated from Delhi to Devagiri when he shifted his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. Because the factors which influence this decision, because of the administrative convenience and the security, these are the two reasons which made him to shift the capital from Delhi to Devgiri. And the Sultan felt that the distance of Delhi made it difficult to control the regions in the Deccan region. So the Delhi was located close to the northwest regions, becoming an easy to target the Mongols. So Devagiri, which was far away from, would remain as a safe. So he planned to change the capital from Delhi to Devagiri. And as I said, the Batuta foreign travelers, in his book, he has written that the entire population of the Delhi, he ordered to migrate to Daulatabad, and he made the necessary arrangement for the people. But many have died during this migration. So in today's class, children, we studied about who were the rulers of the Khilji dynasty, how the Alauddin Khilji got assassinated, and how he conquered the regions with the help of Malik Kafur, his trusted general, and how the Tughlaq dynasty came to existence, how the Ghiyazuddin Tughlaq was got murdered with his son's plan, and how this Jauna Khan became the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and what was his plans of taxation, and also reason behind the shifting of capital from Delhi to Devagiri.